Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Rahul Pradhan. I am a full stack developer from Cuttack, India. Currently, I am working at Cloud Active Lab as a full stack developer. I specialized in React Next, React.js, Next.js, Node.js, Express, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, React Native, GraphQL, and Keystone Key Static. These modern technologies. I build around 20 plus personal project, and in industrial level I build and successfully deployed around 3 projects. So today I am going to read a story in my English speaking practice. So let's start the reading the story. The story name is The Beauty of Every Moment. The first is morning scenery. Start your day by embracing the tranquility of the early morning, the soft glow of the sunrise, the chirping of birds, and the gentle rustle of leaves. These are nature's way of inviting you to begin your day with mindfulness and gratitude. Second, small act of kindness. Notice the small act of kindness that person around you. It could be smile from a stranger, a helping hand from a colleague, or a grateful gesture from friend. This act reminds us the goodness in the people heart and the incorporated of humanity. 3. Nature's wonders. Take a moment to marvel the wonder of nature, whether it's a blooming flower in your garden, or a colorful sunset painting in the sky, or rhythmic sound of wave at the beach. Nature has a way of grounding us and filling our heart with wave. Connection the loved ones. Teaser the moment spent with loved ones. Put away your device. Engage in meaningful conversation and savor the laughter and warmth that came with genuine connection. This moment create memories that last of a lifetime. Fifth, mindful eating. Practice mindful eating instead of rising through meals. Savor each bite. Appreciate the flavor, texture, and aromas. Eating mindfully not only enhance your culinary experience but also promote gratitude for the nourishment of your body receives. Creative experience. Engage in creative activities that bring you joy, whether it's a painting, writing, singing, or dancing. Creative experience allow you to tap into your inner self and channel your emotion. It's a powerful way to appreciate the beauty of human imagination and integrity and ingenuity. Seventh, evening reflection. Take a few moments in evening for reflection. Think about the positive experience of the day, the lessons learned, and the moments of joy. Experience gratitude for the challenge that taught you resilience and the blessing that you bought in the happiness. 8. Nighttime scenery. End your day with scenery. Embrace the quiet of the night, the twinkling star, and the shooting stillness. Reflect on the day with a sense of contentment, knowing that each moment to matter, how ordinary it's gift to be criticized. In conclusion, life's beauty lies not just the grand event, but in the tragedy of the everyday moment. By being present, appreciating the simply joy, and cultivating gratitude, we can find fulfillment and happiness in the ordinary. As you ask, so as you go but about your day, remember to pause, observe, and realize the beauty of the present moment. Thank you for joining me in celebrating the beauty of everyday moment today. May your day be filled with mindful appreciation and gratitude. Thank you everyone for joining me.